The Fall Guides for Buying, Selling, or Additional Tips for First-Time Homebuyers is here. If you're thinking about moving this fall, you're probably asking yourself, what's happening with mortgage rates? Where are home prices heading? Is inventory improving? How much home equity do I really have? That's exactly what the Fall Guides cover. You'll get clear market insights, expert forecasts, and reliable facts. I'm Pam Sawyer with Metro Detroit Home Experts, and whether you're buying, selling, or purchasing your very first home, these guides give you the tools to buy smarter, sell higher, and time the market with confidence. The links are in the description. Go grab yourself a copy today. And don't forget to follow Team Tag It Sold on every platform and subscribe to stay ahead of the market. Metro Detroit, knowledge is powerful. Let's put it to work for you.